In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete old text in Sejda PDF Editor. We'll use Sejda's free, browser-based editor, so there's nothing to install and it works on Windows, Mac, or Chromebook. I'll walk you through opening your PDF, selecting the text you want to remove, and exporting the updated file. Start by opening your web browser and going to sejda.com. On the homepage, look for the option that says Edit a PDF document. It's free. Click that to launch the editor. Sejda works entirely online, which is convenient, but keep in mind the free plan has limits on file size and the number of tasks per hour. If you're working with a large document, consider closing other tabs to keep things responsive while the editor loads. This helps the website handle your file smoothly and reduces the chance of the page becoming sluggish. Next, click Upload PDF File and select your document from your computer. You'll see a progress bar while the file uploads and opens in the workspace. If the PDF contains many pages, give it a moment to finish rendering before you start editing. You can use your browser's zoom controls to make small text easier to target once the pages are visible. A little patience here ensures every page is ready for accurate edits. With the file open, choose the text tool in the toolbar. Then click directly on the text you want to edit or remove. In many cases, you may need to double-click to place the cursor inside that text box. Once the cursor appears, drag to select the portion you want to delete and press backspace or delete. If you prefer to replace text instead of removing it, just type to overwrite the selection. A quick tip, if clicking doesn't highlight the text, that content may be part of an image or a scanned page rather than true, selectable text. In that situation, Sejda won't allow direct text deletion inside the image area. For normal, selectable text, take your time, zoom in for accuracy, and check nearby lines to make sure the layout still looks clean after your edits. When you're satisfied with the changes, click Apply Changes at the top. Sejda will process your edits and prepare a final version. When the download page appears, click Download to save the updated PDF to your computer. I recommend saving it as a new file so you keep the original as a backup. That's it.